Kunal, I'll come first to you. And straight up, what are your high risk and low risk ideas for our viewers today?
So good morning, Cheryl. I'll suggest a couple of mixed trades over here because the indices are showing a bit of a wobbly kind of a trend. Stock specific, yes, there's a lot of strength on individual names, but on the index front, there is still a bit of a I would say jitterness on the indices. So in that aspect, one buy and one sell. The first one is a sell recommendation. It's a sell on IndusInd Bank. Bank Nifty is the one which is under pressure. In fact, if you look at it relatively as well, the Bank Nifty has underperformed the benchmark Nifty in the last 6-7 days of this market correction. So I'm expecting the banking index and specifically a few of the names which have a slightly weaker chart structure to underperform. IndusInd Bank is one of the stocks which I would want to recommend as a sell. Short-term targets to be kept at approximately 950, stop loss at 1015. The second stock which I have is a Sun Pharma. Now from the pharma index, I believe that many of these pharma stocks are showing signs of a revival. These stocks, and in fact the index overall is forming a triple bullish RSI divergence where the prices have made a new low, but the RSIs apparently have made a higher high for themselves. Now when you see such a divergence set up in the index, it generally leads to recovery on a lot of individual components of stocks. So I'm expecting Sun Pharma, which has bounced back from its major swing lows in the last couple of days, to hold up its previous support and gain higher from current levels. So buy on Sun Pharma, targets to be kept at approximately 620, 625 range, and stop loss to be kept at 575.
All right, Sun Pharma doing well for itself in trade today, gaining about 2%. Let's go across to Vijay now. Vijay, good morning to you and thanks so much for waiting by. What are your ideas, your high risk and low risk ideas for our viewers today?
I too concur with Kunal, and I think that pharma is a great opportunity right now. And the way markets have corrected, and there is some kind of a jitteriness in the markets, and some kind of a some fear that we might fall because the bond yields have been increasing and the inflation has not been under bounds. So I would also recommend a few stocks from the pharma space and one from the FMCG. So I like Divi's Labs at these levels, about 34.30. I think that this stock can go up to 3600, and there could be a stop loss of 3380 on Divi's Lab. I think that it's a great company, fantastic business in the APIs and the exports. So Divi's should do well. My other, I would say, a low risk idea would be ITC, presently trading at 222 to 23. This could be bought for a target of 240. There is a lot of demerger news and there's a buzz in the market. We really don't know when it will happen, but again, it's a great company at great valuations. So even long-term players can just keep on holding ITC for a decent amount of time, and I'm sure that there is money to be made. And my high risk idea would be Wockhardt. Although we have seen some correction from 500 odd levels to 430 odd, so I would recommend Wockhardt, a buy on Wockhardt at these levels around 445 for a target of 520, 530. Because again, pharma seemingly is good and the stock has corrected well, and I think that Wockhardt should do well because it looks strong on the charts as well.